and welcome to FinextraTV. I'm Liam Xavier, and you join us here at the Temenos Community Forum in Copenhagen. With me right now is Kacerovsky, the Chief Data Officer at Commercni Banka. Lovely to have you here.
It's nice to be here.
So we're talking a little about customer experiences and this change towards sort of a digital-first transformation. If we think about how customer expectations around digital experiences has changed, what has this done in terms of bank priorities and making sure that they're actually up to date?
Well, every bank today knows that the customers are more and more demanding on the speed, on the simplicity of the service they provide, of course, on the understanding of the customer, because customers really want to get proposals, to get the offers that are suited to them. So me as a Chief Data Officer is in this process involved the way that we really need to grasp all the digital footprint through the digital channels that we interact with the customer. And of course, using the most recent technologies, including the AI, to figure out what should be really the next best offer, what should be really the way how we have to interact with the customer, that he is open to our proposals. And that means different combinations of different means, how we reach him in the mobile phone, in the internet app, through emails, through push notifications, but even through the branch.
And obviously with digital changes, it's elevated the need for more international payments, more cross-border payments. How are multi-currency accounts really becoming more of an imperative?
Well, for our market, as Czechia has its own currency, and we make a business with all around Europe. The companies in Czech are importing, exporting the goods here and there, so they anyway are seeking the euro or the other currencies as their standards for their accounting, for their handling. And the same for the retail customers. They travel abroad, they buy the goods from the international e-shops, so they also seek for the international currencies. So this is what we get into the new core banking system from Temenos, and this is what we were very happy to propose to all our customers. And they are using it actually. They are already having that for a few years, and we are happy that we have this feature in place.
And so how can banks use more of their data analytics and what's available to them to improve these customer experiences?
Well, of course, data is all around. You monitor all the turning points through digital signals. At the same time, my feeling is that you are overwhelmed by the data. You need to really understand the analytics. Yet recently, all these AI, large language models, are helping you to process these things. And I think that the challenge of the leaders, of the decision makers, will be to ask the right questions, because you will track all the data. But you have to really be clear what is the right question that you want to answer. And of course, the speed will be not an issue anymore as well, because the traditional excuses like I need extra time to analyze something, or I need extra data to do this excuse will be gone with the AI evolving in the future.
And how would you say the priorities around new technologies is affecting data usage?
Even with these AI agents and all these assistants, then again, it's not a magic bullet. You need to set the right data, the right context, that the machine can give you the right answers you expect. So it's all about the human and machine interaction. We just today call it AI.
Really interesting. Well, thanks for joining us.
It was a pleasure. Thanks.